I know this is weird, but I'm going to use 4 leading chute drums on the front, but I'm using modern inverted forks. You know, a little bit of a twist, but on top of that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to modify the bottom here, the same as those early Guzzi race bikes, have this leading axle fork, which will be, I don't know, why not? It's fucking cool. It should look good. What I'm going to do is similar to what I did with the dustbin, is I with the dustbin loop frame, I cut that down. I changed all the back here, obviously, for the seat, but I lowered the whole frame about 3 inches, I think, which gave it that nice little stout look. Might not have to do it so radically with this. With the leading axle fork I'm going to make. The other thing is, I'm going to run a supercharger about right here. This part of the frame's in the way, unfortunately, and I want to put the carburetor here. So this might make for something interesting with tank design. Let's see where that goes.